today I'm going to pick a winner for the yarn cakes giveaway. And just a reminder, I have a Facebook page and group. It's listed down below if anybody would like my page and join my group. I had to start over. And then on Amazon, both of my books are for sale: Crochet for Beginners, Crochet Hats for Beginners. If you like to look at those, it's listed down below. And then the cakes are also, I'll have links down below for the mandalas and the other Ferris wheel. If you are not the winner, you can take a look on Amazon. And let's see who the winner is. Congratulations, Robin Gordon. I'll give you about a week. If you don't contact me through the email that's listed down below with your address, then I'll have to pick a new winner. And it's for both of these yarn cakes here, the mandala and the Ferris wheel. I did a review on it, and I'm going to have more giveaways in the future. Look out for those. I just need for you just to be a subscriber and comment down below for the next one. And thank you everybody for participating. Thank you for watching. And please contact me, Robin, and I'll send this out as soon as possible.